Wike will do everything within his powers, outside his powers, to be called the Jagaban of Rivers State. The fight between him and Fubara is not ending anytime soon, except Fubara succumbs and starts bowing before him. Except Fubara starts licking Wike's feet, Wike is not giving up because he wants the title of warlord. You are not the governor of Rivers State. You are no longer the governor of Rivers State. You are an ex-governor. You are now the minister. Why won't you concentrate in your office and leave Rivers State alone? He will not, because he wants to be a godfather. He wants to be the emperor of Rivers. He wants to be the Hitler of Rivers. He wants to be calling the shots. He wants Fubara to be his puppet. He wants Fubara to come under him. And this is exactly what is happening all over Nigeria. They want their puppets to do whatever they want. They want their puppets to do their bidding. So I am supporting Fubara, governor of Rivers State, temporarily. Not permanent, because I can't support their type. Temporal support. Once this Hitler, he can bring him down. We are going to support Fubara if he is ready to be man enough. I hate weak men. I don't like men that are very, very weak. I love men that stand their ground. And if we notice that this Fubara is going to be a kamu vegetable, then Wike will play him like ballet. We will dump him because Wike deserves to be humbled. If Fubara is man enough, then he should put Wike in his place. After all, Wike is only but just an ordinary ex-governor. He's a nobody. Wike is a nobody. If Fubara is man enough, he should put this Hitler in his place. Wike is power intoxicated. He is power drunk. He loves power. He is so obsessed with Rivers State. Haven't you wondered? Are you not wondering? How come this man finished 8 years? Now he's the minister of FCT. What is it? What do you have with Rivers State? Why are you so obsessed that you can't leave Rivers? And you can't even leave the so-called governor that you installed yourself. Now come and I meet him. Come and meet Wike on time. Come on. That is what is happening to him. He installed a governor in Rivers State, believing that once he installed this Fubara, this puppet, that the same thing that is happening in Lagos will be replicated in Rivers State, having a puppet as a governor. He wants this type of governor that whenever he tells them to stand, they will stand. If he tells them to sit, they will sit. If he tells them to shut up, they will shut up. If he tells them to close their eyes, they will close their eyes. Whenever he asks them to speak, that is when they will speak. If he asks them to sign something, they will sign. That is the kind of governor Wike wants. Just the same thing that is happening in Lagos. Mumu governors. Mumu Imbe, they do whatever their godfather asks them to do. They don't have a mind of their own. They don't have a voice of their own. And they don't know whatever. They don't know politics. It's assumed that they don't know politics. They are not politically inclined. They are babies they just brought up. So since this boy is a baby, let me just install him. Then I will be the one. He might, he's the governor. I am ex-governor, but somehow I am still the executive governor of Rivers State by proxy. That is the type they want. That is what Wike wants. That is why he cannot leave Rivers. You see this fight between Wike and Fubara. It is not ending anytime soon because Wike wants to be Tinubu of Rivers. He wants to be the Jagaban of Rivers. He wants to be the one appointing governors, senators, appointing them, telling them what to do. When this man was the former governor when this man was the governor rather of Rivers State, he said himself that he will never interfere in Rivers politics as soon as he signs out from being the governor. He said he will wash his hand away like Pontius Pilate. That he, Nelson Wike, will wash his hand away like Pontius Pilate. And he will never interfere. He doesn't like godfatherism. And he stands against godfatherism, quote unquote. The same Wike that finished blabbing this garbage from his mouth is now running around. He doesn't stay in Abuja again. Every day he's in Rivers. That is why I said Fubara has the power to ban Wike from entering River State if Fubara is man enough. If you are man enough for Fubara, you talk too much. I hate men that talk too much. I love men that act. People that are supporting you are not supporting you because they like you. They just want you to bring the shoulder of this man down. Bring the shoulders of Wike down. That is what people want. So you talk a lot. You talk too much. Act. I love action. I love men that act. Men who don't talk too much. It's only a man that doesn't know what he wants that will sit down with Ocho Tukuroso. Fubara. Act. Ban him from entering your state. Forbid him. You have the veto power. In fact, you are a governor, executive governor, so you have the power to ban anybody from entering your state. Because Wike loved power, that was why he robbed Peter Obi. Yes, he robbed Peter Obi. Who won River State presidential election? It is Peter Obi. He carried all the vote and gave to APC. Now I want to ask you a question. On a normal day, even if you are sleeping or in a trance, and they wake you up from sleep, they tell you that APC, Tinubu won in River State. Will you agree? You will not agree. But APC won in River State, not PDP. If it was PDP, Atiku Abubakar, that won in River State, it is understandable that River State is PDP state. How did APC, a man from Lagos State, enter Rivers? I don't know what Tinubu said in that campaign. He did not say anything. The only thing I had is I want to dance. I want to dance. Play me song. I want to dance. My body they shake. My everywhere they shake. Hand they shake. Leg they shake. Even head they shake. I just want to dance. And they play him song almost all the campaign he went. He's just saying things that are incoherent. I want to dance. I want to dance. And they will play him music. So what did Tinubu tell Rivers people that made them to vote for Tinubu? That is what you should be asking yourself, because Rivers people are very intelligent and they don't take anything they see. They don't elect anyhow person. They are not sent to, but Rivers cannot with their open eyes vote Tinubu. So they carry the vote of Labour Party, Peter Obi, in question and gave Jagaban. Peter Obi won Rivers State. If today is Judgment Day, they ask Nyesom Wike, who won Rivers State presidential election. He will tell you, because there is nothing else he will do. He will tell you the truth. It is Peter Obi. And you gave Peter Obi vote for him. For that thing. You see, Bible said we should suffer not the witch to live. I think that is what is happening to Wike and Fubara. Fubara is not going to leave him anytime soon. No matter how long this will take, Fubara must never bow down to Wike. This was Wike when he was the governor of Rivers. Looking chubby, plumpy, and very handsome. What is it? Witchcraft. Anytime he be the rotawa musu, all the blood in your body and amikosia. That is what is happening to him. How old is he? Sorry, except there are other cases I'm not aware of, but on a normal, how can you explain this? This was when you were the governor. The moment you started your look changed automatically. You know witches. Once they always perch. Once you see witches flying in the night, they don't always look okay. Look at Wike. See Wike before, look at Wike now. You want to be a godfather. You want to be the emperor of Rivers. You want to be the Hitler of Rivers. Are you not tired of this dictatorship? Are you not tired of this tyrant lifestyle? Are you not tired of it? Are you not the one that said you will not interfere? You are the one that installed this boy, this man, or whoever he is, they call Fubara. Why not allow him to govern Rivers? When two elephants are fighting, of course, you know that the grasses will suffer. And the people of Rivers State are suffering. All these things continue happening because of the docility of the people. If the people are not docile, all these men will not be playing with your emotions. They will not be playing with your state treasury at your detriment. And I even saw a video where some hungry people where some people were singing, obey, oh, obey, oh, obey. Fubara must obey, Wike, obey. You can imagine where thousands singing a song in support, in solidarity to a former ordinary governor, a nobody. I don't get it. So who told you that Wike have power over an executive governor that immunity is covering? That is how imbecilic. These people, I told you that they are idiotic. These are imbeciles now. You understand? Mumugu. They are anywhere belly face. You know, they are like what aturo. They go one way traffic. So they don't have their own sense of reasoning. Like they don't think. Wike wants the person he will control in Rivers State. He wants somebody that anything he say, the person will say yes, sir. Fubara, it is Wike calling. I want you to do this or that. Okay, sir. Fubara, I am entering Rivers. Once I come now, you are going to wash my shoe. Yes, sir. Fubara, there are places I want you to, you know, some road I want you to leave. Don't build that. Yes, sir. Anything Wike tells Fubara, Fubara will say yes, sir. That is what Wike wants. And unfortunately, it is not going his way. Leave Rivers alone. Leave Rivers alone. Power doesn't know. This world is a temporary place. I don't know what people are struggling for. I don't know what people are fighting for. I don't know what you are fighting for. I'm not even feeling I'm wrong for. Look at you, a chubby man. Look at Neziego. Neziego, all because of getting even at a winch. Even at a winch, you betrayed your own brother because of a pharaoh. The same way Amechi betrayed Jonathan for a stark illiterate. Amechi betrayed Jonathan for an illiterate or Chenama that doesn't know anything. Or if Wike is doing to deep to Peter Obi. And I hope everybody is happy. It is karma. It go knock. You see this karma? Now door to door. It will reach everybody. Don't worry. It is karma. Wike karma is coming. Because Bible said that the wicked must never go unpunished. The wicked should never be allowed to go unpunished. The karma is coming. Fubara, if you are man enough, forget this talk. You talk a lot. Start acting. Let us see your action and know where we are singing, where we are thanking you. We are not singing your praise because all of you are the same. In our eyes, all of you are nobody. But you just act. Just act so that we can see the emperor, the Hitler of rivers. We want to see his downfall. Yes, it gladdens our heart. It will gladden our heart to see the downfall of a Hitler, a tyrant, a dictator. Somebody that stole the people's mandates. He shall never go unpunished. Thank you guys for watching.